So here is a question. What is this with as a structure in Python programming language, and how should we use it? So suppose that we want to read this file. So first of all, we need the path of this file, and then we go to Python and simply type with open, and then we should pass the path of this file, and we should specify the mode of opening. For example, I type R means read mode. It means that I want to read this file, and for example, not write in it. That's it. And then we choose an alias name, so we simply type with opening this file as F, which means this is the alias name for this file. We need this alias name because you want to work with it. For example, we simply type f.read. So as you can see, we are working with this alias name, and we are reading the content of this file. And after reading the content, for example, let's suppose that we want to store that in a variable called content. And for example, let's print that contents variable. So now if I run the code, you can see here's the content of that file. And here are 2 videos which I suggest you to watch as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.